What's going on, my math party people? Anderson here, your math coach. Let's go ahead here and understand this question. So this is a challenge question simply because not everybody knows how conversions work between perimeter, area, volume, and just regular distances. So let me go ahead and show you how to get this one done. So what is the ratio between their perimeters? Okay, so we want the ratio between perimeters. So we're looking at the sides of two squares. So the ratio of the sides of two squares is 2 to 3. Okay, the ratio of the sides is 2 to 3. Now here's a very easy way to get a problem like this done. And then I'm going to show you the rule for the future. But the easy way to get this done is doing an example. Do an example. Here's what I mean. If the ratio between the sides of the squares is 2 to 3, I'm going to show an example here. Watch this. Here's the square with sides of 2. And just like this free YouTube video right here, my math party people, I have a free practice test that comes with video solutions so you can learn from every mistake, and a free math class every week, once a week for 2 hours. Click the link over here to sign up and get started and keep raising that score. Let's get back to the action. And here's a square with sides of 3. Is it fair to say that the ratio of their sides is 2 to 3? Yeah. Is this drawn to scale? No, obviously this one looks way bigger, but don't worry about that. So here's the thing. Go by example here. Notice how they didn't give you enough information, or they did give you enough information to solve it easily. But if you want to use an example, use an example. The ratio of the sides is 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Let's go ahead and find their perimeters. To find the perimeter, it's the distance all the way around. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 times 2, that's going to be 8. Over here, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that perimeter is going to be 12. What is the ratio between those perimeters? Okay, 8 to 12. Can we simplify that? Yeah, because remember with ratios, those are just fractions. You can simplify fractions by going ahead and dividing by the same thing on both sides. 8 and 12 are both divisible by 4. So if I do that, I end up getting over here 2 to 3. And there's your answer. It's the same ratio, 2 to 3. But why is that? Well, the reason is this. If you're looking at the sides of a square, you're looking at feet, right? Like feet, centimeters, inches, whatever it is. But notice that the perimeter is still going to be feet. Perimeter is still going to be feet. And so the unit scale doesn't change, and so the ratio doesn't change. However, if you were looking at area, remember that area is always feet squared. So you would have to square the ratio for area. Volume, feet cubed, inches cubed. And so you would have to cube the volume. Or cube the ratio, excuse me. But you get what I mean. And I also have a full video on this in terms of unit conversions and how to never get unit conversion questions incorrect, especially challenge ones like this. So with that said, my math party people, make sure to watch that video because it'll make sure that you know how to convert units correctly every single time, especially when it comes to comparing areas, volumes, and distances. And so with that said, I'm Anderson, your math coach. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in many more. Let's get cracking, and let's keep having fun. And before you go, if you like what you saw and you want to raise your score with thousands of practice problems just like that, so you can lower that test anxiety, raise that confidence, go to this link right here to check out the full program. There's a video that shows you exactly how it works, but you're going to get lessons, guided practice, worksheets, speed drills, and everything that you need to feel supported from day one all the way until you pass. Again, I'm Coach Anderson, and I'll see you soon.